Okay, welcome guys to the next Blender tutorial. So today we're going to be doing a phone screen kind of design, and we're working on Blender 5.1 Alpha. I thought I'd test it out a little bit tonight. So let's go ahead, and I'm just going to go to the render tab. Let's switch out EV to cycles, and then I'm going to take the camera right here and we're just going to adjust the picture size. So because this is a phone screen, we're going to go ahead and just place in the pixel height and pixel length of our phones. So mine is this one. If you need to find your one, I'm pretty sure that Google will be able to tell you for this piece. So this particular piece, what we're going to be doing is kind of like a kind of girly piece. We're going to be having some nice little backgrounds going on in the back. Let's go with I'm going to go with modifier, and I'm going to go to smooth for the cube in the middle. And I don't think I have the screencasting keys on here. Hold on. Let's see. This is a new system for me. Should have keys. Hold on. Okay, I can't get them for this one for some reason. So I think that might be an external download. I do remember on the older versions it was an external download. This is a newer version, so maybe they've not patched it in yet. So yeah, let's go with the background. Let's go with add modifier. And I'm going to go smooth for this one. I'm going to try and smooth out this cube just a little bit. Oops. Shade smooth. Just going to move that to there. We'll see what happens with that. Let's go ahead, go to edit mode. I'm going to get rid of this actually. Maybe we could add some just edgings on this. Let's go with A. Oh, that's interesting. Let's go with A to select everything. Subdivide, subdivide. There are a few alterations on the keyboard here. Let's try modifier again. And we'll go with smooth. See if that makes any difference. Let's go into object mode. Yeah, there we go. Okay, so we just want to smooth this one out. I'm going to go 7 to heaven. I'm going to change the material on this to a nice bright pink for you girly girls. And then I'm going to go ahead and Shift D. Let's duplicate this. I'm going to go Shift D again, duplicating the opposite side. And then I'm going to take these and I'm going to go Shift D upwards. Shift D upwards. Maybe do another Shift D right here. And I'm just going to go ahead and just select everything that we've just made. Shift D again. And then I'm going to go ahead, select everything again. And then Shift D across. Just on this side, and then Shift D again. So basically what we're trying to do here is just kind of make a little base for our camera. So we're going to go view, align view, and then camera to view. Should be align view, camera to view. There we go. So this little box right here is our camera. I'm going to go ahead and just rotate this. Go ahead and rotate it any which way you want to. So press G, move it across. I was going to press G just to move it down as well. Just to get some depth in there. Okay, so with this as it is currently, it is a bright pink background. We've got a light coming from this way, which is this one right here. So I'm just going to go ahead and Shift D and duplicate this up. Just go across and then we can go G and move this downwards kind of thing. So I'm going to go ahead and take some of these little squares right here and I'm just going to go ahead and move them up and down just to give it that little bit of depth. So we can just press G. Just move them around. You can get them on different bits. just as such. So now we've got these little bits coming out. I'm going to go ahead and change the lighting a little bit. So let's go Shift D on that light. Move it to the side here. And maybe for this light we could change the colours on this. So maybe we could go with like, I don't know, like a little blue or something like that. Just to offset the colours. So we've got that nice little purple coming through. I'm just going to go ahead and select some other ones on here as well. So maybe we could take this one, this one, this one, this one, and we could take this one. And just press G, and we'll move it up again. Just hold center scroll. Come on. Just pull these up ever so slightly again. So now these have got a different height from the last ones that we had. I'm going to go ahead to the world settings and go to background. Let's change this to a black all the way down. So you've got that nice little contrast going on in the back. And to be honest with you, I think we're done with this tutorial. So yeah, this was a little bit of a play around with 5.1 alpha, which is currently being tested on the Blender website. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.